Question number 12 is about lowest formal charge. You know that when the atom has the lowest formal charge, it's the lowest energy, and so it has the most stable structure, and it should be the structure if there are not possible structures. Okay, so and then first of all, you have to remember how to find the formal charge. Formal charge equals the valence electrons numbers, and then minus all the light and minus all the dot connected with the sulfur. So remember sulfur has a 6 valence electrons. So for the first one, okay, 6 valence electron minus 3 nitrogen, so the formal charge is plus 3. Second one, 6 minus 5 plus 1. The third one, 6 minus 4 plus 2. The third one, 6 minus 6, 0. So for the structure, the sulfur has the lowest formal charge, so it is the most stable, lowest energy, and then it should be the structure. So the answer is D. Thank you.